Hello, Year 5. Today we are going to start our conversation about angles. And angles are my favorite part of geometry because they are really magical. They are simply everywhere. They are on the table, they are on the doors, they are on our movements. For example, Teacher Ariel is standing on the floor. So Teacher Ariel and the floor are forming a perfect 90-degree angle. So everything around us work because of angles. If the walls on your house are not falling, it's because of angles. If something on your door or on your table, you try to stand something on your table and it falls, it's probably because of angles or gravity. So angles are everywhere and they are very easy to visualize once you train your eyes, okay? So when we talk about angles, we talk about keeping things in balance. So for example, when Teacher Ariel stands, Teacher Ariel is forming a 90-degree angle with the floor. If Teacher Ariel moves her position, if I move my position, imagine that Teacher Ariel is the blue line. If I change my position, there is a chance that I fall because I am changing the angle of my body. So if Teacher Ariel changes the angle of her body, I can't keep the same balance as if I have a 90-degree. Angles are about forces. Remember when Teacher Ariel said that you would take your geometry journal your whole life? So, in high school, the most famous word that you are gonna hear in physics is gonna be angles. So, my advice for you, take all the notes you need from angles now. So, in high school, you already have your dictionary of angles with you. If we imagine a soccer player here, for example, imagine Pelé. Imagine that Pelé kicks the ball 90 degrees. The ball is not going anywhere. But if Pelé kicks the ball like this, the movement of the ball, and this is also very important, the movement of the ball changes and it goes to another place. So angles are everywhere that we can see. Balance, forces, and movement. Okay? Science and geometry are 100% connected. Let's talk a little bit about angles in year 5 now. So, on the paper, on the book, on the notebook, on a 2D reality, okay? We are not talking yet about 3D, we are not talking about solids yet. In a 2D reality, we have the lines that form the angle and we have the vertex. The lines we are going to call the arm of the angle. So this is the arm of the angle. This is also the arm of the angle. And this is the vertex. Okay? Every time, and this is a fact, every time two lines meet on a vertex, they form an angle. So if this is vertex A, it is a fact, it is a consequence, it's not negotiable. I form an angle A over here. You see that the vertex is capital letter. The angle is the same letter, but it's lowercase. That's why Teacher Ariel was so boring. Vertexes are capital letters because angles are lower letter. Okay, they are lowercase letter. So, the angle measures the distance between two lines. Very simple. An angle, and this is a 90-degree angle because this is perfectly vertical, and this is perfectly horizontal. But the angle measures the distance between the lines. So if you even want to write, angles measures the distance between lines. These lines are connected by a vertex. Be careful, it's not two lines flying in the space. Ah, teacher, but distance, I know how to measure distance. Can I measure the distance of an angle like this? No. Angles are not measured in centimeters or meters or millimeters. Angles are measured in degrees. And for that, we are going to use our protractor. And this is the subject for our next video. See you!